Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good, doing good with corona period. See, today we are going to do report writing and mostly it asks for 5 to 10 marks, not more than 5 to 10 marks. Okay. So today we are going to understand what is report writing, format of report writing and examples of report writing. Why we write report writing, where we get report writing is usually we can see in newspapers, school magazine and journals. Okay, we mostly see reports writing in newspaper, as we are reading daily newspaper that comes report every day. Reports are okay that we are reading, that's all are report in the form of news, okay, in school magazines or in journals. Okay, so while report writing, it should be in a specific uh, it should not be in a big form. It's only 15 to 20 line. It should give clear idea of what person want to say or what news want to flash. Okay, and time of the clear time of the that particular event, how it can occurred, how it occurs means what happened for that event, what happened, everything. It should be in a clear manner. It's not should be in big uh, lines. Okay, it causes, why it happens, its effects, what what the after and before effect of that report, and it's the future perspectives, what is the future perspectives of that report. Okay, and not last and least, but one more thing I want to tell you. Okay, finally, at last mention in short form the name of the network report the news. Okay, so in this we have, in this short introduction, I have tried to explain you okay, for what report writing is used, short of format and the example. Short of format means it comes okay, headline. See, short of format means headline should be in block letters only. Okay, place, date, body, place and date and body of the report. With that you have to start. Some report are okay, fine. After we will tell you okay, where how we can write the proper examples. Okay, now students, some important points while remember while writing report. Okay, main important points that you have to remember every time when you write report. Report should be written in past tense. Okay, got it, because it was the event that happened before, and that for that you are reporting, so it should always in past tense. See this small things, if you remember and you keep in mind while writing report, you will get full marks. Okay student, do not use first person. Okay, do not use first person means I or me. No, in report writing we don't have to use I, me, that is wrong. We have to write third person. Okay, keep in mind every time we have to write report writing in third person form. Okay, use only indirect speech. Okay, and use passive voice. Use only in passive voice. This is four important points that you should remember while writing report, that will help you, and if you remember and take care with this, that will help you and give you full marks. Okay, now students, this is the most important thing that we are going to learn. Format for report writing. See here, for the you have to make a rectangular box. It's, if you can make it is good, that will create a good impression. If you will not make, it's okay, it's not compulsory, but I suggest that you draw this box. Okay, heading should be always in a block letter. Heading means the event name, what event, yani what report you are going to write. Right hand corner means this side, you have to write reported by. Who has returned this report? If any reporter's name is there with you, okay, Mr. Patel from Times of India. If you know the designation, okay, head editor, HR, so you can write the designation also. Okay, reported by, name of the reporter. This you have to write from the right corner of the box. Okay, for the left corner of the box, you have to write place, date and body. Okay, in place, date, where the event happened, on which date, and what is the matter, it comes in it. Okay, before I have explained how sweet you have to write the report. Okay, but now I'm going to tell you some important points. Body has its 3 important points that we have to remember. Introduction, in first line you have to write introduction. In introduction you have to write what is the event, who, how the event happened, when the event happened, where the event happened, and why the event happened. Okay, this 5 why, 5 W, not Y. This 5W you have to remember. 5 W's you have to remember for report writing in the introduction. That if you remember, the introduction is good. Okay, now in second line it comes content. So how. Okay, and in third line you have to write conclusion. In each and everything we have to conclude. So the conclusion means the summary. Okay, so this is the format for what report writing, and if you follow this report writing pattern and format, I think you will get full 5 marks for the exam. And if you remember, you will never forget anything in the life. So be thorough with it, students, and with that try to solve so many report writings, and please try to complete your English notebooks. Okay, thank you. And with that I will keep some report writing examples. Okay, thank you, bye.